Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Summer and I have a fun, cool little DIY project for you guys to try today at home. And I am in the midst of working on some really big interior design makeover transformations right now. And their scope is a whole lot bigger than I'm used to. We're even doing one that's like a whole remodel. And I am super excited, but with that being said, they are taking a little bit longer than some of the other ones that I've done in the past. And so I have some fun little DIY projects that I will be sharing with you guys until that big reveal of those other projects. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do a fun little tropical inspired piece of art. I'm actually going to be using this in one of my spaces, and it's just a cool little way to add like a little beachy vibe to the space. So check out what I did here. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please help your girl out and subscribe to my channel below to see more fun DIY and interior design videos. Thanks. Okay, so for our little tropical art project, we're gonna need a couple of items here. So I picked up from Michael's this shadow box frame here. It's 11 by 14 and they had a really big sale right now going on. So I think that it was like 40% off. So I got it for I think like $16.99, which is a pretty good deal because sometimes these shadow boxes are a little more expensive, if you know what I'm saying. But they're good if you want to display something inside of them. And since I'm doing something tropical inspired, I originally was very inspired by this photo that I have in my bedroom right here. I loved this photo. I actually had a friend who gifted it to me a really long time ago. She moved away and gave it to me, and it's been like that one thing that I've held on to over the years that I just love so much. And I wanted to try and recreate it. There's a lot online right now that you can find. They also come with a very expensive price tag. I wanted to also originally get some kind of more like dried type of plants. And I think just this time of year, it's a little bit more challenging. I know Etsy has some online, but they were also really gigantic. And I wanted something a little bit smaller scale. So I went out to Michael's and Hobby Lobby and to a couple other places, and being that it's the holiday season, the artificial plant section was mostly holiday theme inspired. They didn't have a whole lot of tropical stuff going on, but you can find stuff like this on Amazon. Also, Etsy is like my go-to for stuff like this. But for the sake of my project, I picked up one of these like palm frond leaf things, and also some faux palm tree, which I'm not sure how I feel about this one yet. I'm going to try it out and see which one I like better. This one is probably going to be a little bit too a little too large for here, so I might cut it. I'm not too sure yet, so let's just get to it and start playing around. This was kind of the source of my inspiration for this whole entire art project. My friend Rachel gifted this to me, or she actually moved away and gave it to me years ago, and I love it. I've held on to it for so long, and this was the main source of my inspiration, so I wanted to recreate this. So based on my inspiration photo, that actual palm leaf is called a sable palm leaf. And I'm a Florida girl at heart. If you didn't know, I'm an original Florida girl from Stuart, Florida. And these types of palm trees or palm leaves are everywhere. You could literally go in your backyard and they're everywhere. And I can't find them anywhere in California. So I've been searching for them everywhere. Again, they're called sable or like palmetto palm leaves. If only my Florida friends knew that they could just go cut some of these and dry them, they could make a killing online. Anyways, if you go to Etsy, you can find some on Etsy. You can see a lot of the Etsy ones are dried out. Some of them are even spray painted. I even found on other sites such as Pottery Barn that they're selling this type of artwork for almost $400. Are you kidding me? So that's where my inspiration came from to create my own. Okay guys, so I have my materials here. I have my palms. I've got my picture frame, and I have some scissors. Probably shouldn't hold them by the blade like that, just FYI. But anyways, I This one actually belongs to me, and I use it in my house and I really like it. So if I use this one, I'm gonna have to replace it because I really like it in my space right now. So I'm gonna try this one out first and see how I feel about it. You can't really tell like on the camera probably, but I just don't know if I love it or not, if it looks cheapy or not. But I'm gonna try it anyways and see how it goes. I'm just gonna cut the stems here using just my scissors, and I'm probably gonna have to bend it because this is like a wire inside of here. And I'm gonna just kind of play around with it and see how it goes. So another thing that I'm gonna need is a glue stick, just like a standard hot glue gun, and a glue stick. And I was kind of messing around with this and was thinking that I was gonna need to like double it up. But I don't know. I kind of maybe like just the simplicity of it just being single. So I think I'm gonna just go with the single guy and see how it looks on there. And I'm just gonna glue that bad boy on there, and I think it's gonna look really cute. I just got done with my project here and I think it came out really cute. I'm so happy with the outcome. This was so quick, so inexpensive, and so easy to do. So I hope that you guys feel inspired to try your own tropical projects. Ooh. Seems weird to be doing this. If I get it, if I don't like this one, oh my gosh, what am I saying?